Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. And touch areas located at the back side of each earbud. Right here I have SKULLCANDY logo and this one is touch areas. If you press one time at your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. I just pause the song. Let's make it again. So pause and play. As you can see, it works. Then, if you press two times, you will increase or lower the volume. So you need to press two times at your right earbud to increase the volume. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And as you can see at this widget, I increase it. So to lower it, you need to press two times at your left earbud. 1, 2, 1, 2. And as you can see this widget, I lower the volume. Then we have a triple press, and with a triple press we can call voice assistant. You need to triple press on your right or left earbud. 1, 2, 3. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. As you can see, Siri wake. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant or maybe Gemini or maybe something else. If you have something, let's say you can call Bixby. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The left one also should work. Yeah, it works. Then you can also, with a single press, answer and finish the call. And you can reject a call by press and hold at your left or right earbud. And if you press and hold at this button, you can turn off or turn on your headphones. So to turn off them, you need to press and hold something like 4 seconds. And to turn on it, press and hold for something like 2 seconds. And we can also perform a factory reset with the controls. So you need to first turn off them and then press and hold for something like 10 seconds. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. We have how to perform a factory reset for these earbuds. And you cannot play next or previous track at these earbuds. We haven't gesture for it, and we haven't also application to customize the gestures. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.